Hey. Welcome back to the Car Collective, your #1 destination for everything automotive, where we break down the hottest rides on the planet and give you the real talk you actually need. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a drop. Now let's get into today's video because trust me, this one is absolutely insane. We are talking about the 2026 to 2027 GMC Yukon Denali PRO. And from the moment you lay eyes on this beast, you already know it is on a completely different level. This is not just a full-size SUV, this is a statement. This is a lifestyle. This is the kind of machine that turns heads before you even start the engine. Let's start from the front because that fascia is doing everything right. You've got that massive, bold GMC grille sitting front and center with a commanding presence that just dominates whatever road it's on. The LED headlights wrap around in a sharp, angular signature that looks futuristic without trying too hard. The front bumper has been completely restyled with a sportier lower lip that gives this truck a planted, aggressive stance. And that deep crimson red paint? That is what we call a presence color. Rich, glossy, deep like a fine wine, and it catches the sunlight in a way that honestly looks like it's glowing from within. Now look at those wheels. Chrome multi-spoke alloys sitting large and in charge, filling out those arches perfectly. The ride sits lower than you'd expect from a full-size SUV, and that actually works in its favor because it gives the whole vehicle a more athletic, coupe-like silhouette without sacrificing that commanding height. The body lines are clean and muscular. Every panel flows into the next with precision, and the blacked-out roof rails and mirror caps add just the right contrast against that deep red finish. Moving around to the back and things only get better. The rear end on this Denali PRO is absolutely gorgeous. Full-width LED taillights stretch across the tailgate with a crisp, modern glow that looks premium day or night. The GMC and Yukon badging is clean and confident. No clutter, just class. And then your eyes drop down to that rear diffuser with quad exhaust tips tucked in neatly. And you realize this truck means serious business. The rear spoiler sitting on top of the roofline ties everything together and gives it just enough edge to separate it from anything else in the full-size segment. Now step inside and prepare yourself because this interior is something else entirely. The Denali PRO takes luxury to an entirely new dimension. You're greeted by a widescreen digital cockpit that stretches across the entire dashboard, combining the driver display and the infotainment system into one seamless curved panel. It is slick, it is responsive, and it makes everything else in this class look dated by comparison. The carbon fiber trim runs throughout the cabin with red accent lighting, tracing the dashboard and door panels, creating this sporty yet ultra-premium atmosphere that feels more exotic sports car than traditional American truck. The seats are wrapped in quilted black leather with red stitching that matches the interior accent lighting perfectly, and the steel line branding detail on the headrests adds an exclusive custom touch. The steering wheel is thick, flat-bottomed, and loaded with controls. Visibility out of that panoramic glass is excellent, and the overall build quality inside this cabin is genuinely world-class. Every surface you touch feels intentional, substantial, and expensive. Under the hood, the Denali PRO packs the kind of power delivery that matches its aggressive looks, giving you confident acceleration, whether you're cruising down the highway or making a grand entrance somewhere that deserves one. And with GMC's latest adaptive suspension technology and magnetic ride control, this massive SUV somehow manages to feel composed, refined, and planted in a way that defies its size entirely. The 2026 to 2027 GMC Yukon Denali PRO is simply the full-size luxury SUV done right. It's bold without being loud, powerful without being reckless, and luxurious without losing its soul. This is the truck for people who want everything, and honestly, we can't blame them. That is going to do it for today's video here on the Car Collective. If you enjoyed this one, drop a like, leave a comment below, and tell us what color you would spec this beast in. We read every single one. Subscribe if you haven't already, share this with a fellow car lover, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.